Welcome back to the channel, and today we're checking out Matcha Ramen. Matcha and ramen is a unique combination, and some people will say kinda strange. But here at Mensho San Francisco ramen shop, it is a popular dish on the menu. Why don't you come? Let's check it out together.
Stuck in my brain, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stuck in my brain, ooh, 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 ooh.
Wow, the food is here. It looks really good. Actually, when you smell it, you can't even smell the matcha. It smells more of the chicken broth, and it really looks amazing. And now it's time to dig in, taste the matcha and the ramen together. Let me see. Wow, it's really amazing. I think it is by far the best ramen I've had so far in Japan. And there's sort of like a balance between the matcha and the chicken broth. It's more of the chicken broth than the matcha. So even if you don't like matcha, you can definitely enjoy this ramen. And one more thing, the egg. I don't know how the Japanese people do this egg. Sort of like in between well done and still see the yellow yolk here. Wow, this is wonderful. Now I'm going to try the meat. Wow, soft and tender and very delicious. It's really good. You have to come here and try it for yourself. Really amazing. All right, there you have it. Done and dusted. It is by far the best ramen I've ate so far in Tokyo. The balance between matcha, the broth, and the ramen was stunning. It is definitely something you should check out or try out when you're in this side of Tokyo. Peace, and please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like Matcha Ramen.